Hi, Goofy Goobers!
Today we are gonna be busting.
Hi! In today's video, we're gonna be myth busting. I don't know how many myths, but we're gonna be myth busting. And if we can, well, if I can, I'm gonna start a new series called the Pug Bros. We're just waiting on him.
Yeah.
Me and him already have it, so we're just waiting on him. If we all three get the pug, then we're gonna do. Well, I'm gonna do a Pug Bros series. So let's just get into the myth busting.
So first myth. Okay.
Alright, first myth is if you kill if you get killed, you could actually fly, like get low gravity when you're not a ghost. That's the first myth.
So what I heard was if you kill yourself.
No, that was me.
Somebody put me in the stash. Somebody put me in the stash.
Well, I was the first one to learn that.
If you put yourself in the stash,
Both of them just went in.
didn't go in. Put me in. But anyways, if you go inside the stash when you're a ghost,
Okay.
I
So
can't push me in. And then hold any button.
Okay. So basically, what you do?
You'll come back and you can fly.
If you go,
You can fly way faster too.
If you go in the stash while you're a ghost, then respawn, you can fly, and that myth is true. The second myth, everybody come here. Everybody come.
Why somebody kill me?
The second myth.
We're gonna do one myth each other. Like we're gonna go in order. You already did one.
No, you already did one.
No, that was William's idea.
Yeah, you did!
That wasn't.
Oh yeah,
mine.
that was Ray.
That was Ray's.
Ray, that was yours.
That was not me.
Yeah, it was.
Yes, it was.
Ray, stop lying.
Can somebody kill me?
So the second myth.
Okay.
Everybody come to computer. Okay, the second myth is that.
Why are you all doing all the talking?
Keys are
The second myth is my friend is gonna do the myth.
Listen.
So say the myth.
Shut up. Okay, the second myth is that WASD on the keyboard is smudged, and you can tell that is very true.
Hey, you took that from Snail.
Get out!
Actually, you took that myth from Snail.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Yes, you did.
Snail said the WASD is smudged because Animal Company players are true gamers.
Shut up.
If you saw Styles,
By the way, guys, don't worry how I got so much money. I'm rich now.
Anyways, the third myth, I mean.
Okay.
But the second myth is that they updated the game. So things are like shiny. So this myth is true. Like the whoopee cushion is shiny.
Oh, he's farting. Wait, it's true. The shotgun is more shiny. And fourth myth that well, the fourth myth was gonna be that
the third myth is that if you die while being big, your ghost is big.
Bro, that was the fourth myth. Okay, the other myth is that if you eat a bunch of pink broccoli, which makes you small, then use a rocket, you go higher. Which is true. I don't have pink
you take that awesome.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Shut up. Okay,
and
the sixth myth, you are slower. You are slower now in the new update, which,
Chubby.
not gonna lie, it kind of does feel like you're a bit slower.
Shut.
So that
You're
myth is probably
chubby,
true.
okay?
Put me back in my body.
No, you're chubby.
That's it.
Ray, put it back in.
Yeah!
Yeah, monkey.
Okay, and the other myth is that if you become big, the fan won't affect you. Which, let's check.
Man, it stopped the recording for me. Shut up.
That's why you dropped your controller. Right, this is why you dropped your controller. I'm not chubby.
Well, when you're big, the fan won't affect you, which is not true because you can, yeah.
No, it's true.
Nuh-uh, because look, it's still affecting me.
Well, barely.
And that's
Let's
not the
confirm.
point. Hey, I was gonna put you back to your body, though. And the other myth is that if you eat 1 MRE, you're slower than if you eat 2, which, let's do a quick test. So,
It's not true.
well, still. So, this is how fast you are with 1. You're pretty fast. Oh. It feels like I'm getting slower, though.
The next myth is that if you die as a ghost, you can have infinite money because if you sell the ghost, it gives you money. So let's just see if this thing is true.
Now I'm eat 2. Now this myth is busted.
How did I not die?
This myth is busted. But now I'm testing another myth about the MREs.
We haven't even tried it.
I did the one with the MRE.
Zombie. What's up, baby?
But I think it might last more.
Hello.
You don't sell for a single bit. You're worthless. You're worthless. Let me revive you. I was gonna revive you.
But anyways, the next myth is actually about the new void thingy.
Also, the
Wait!
is that there's
I
buttons
have
on the
another
side,
myth.
which
No,
there
wait, I
are.
have another myth. Look. Wait, somebody get a teleportation grenade.
Okay.
Here. And get a bag. Here, look, give me the teleportation grenade. What are you doing here, you goofy goober? Leave now, goofball. Alright, anyways, the next myth is that... I called him a goober.
That was Coco.
Oh! I thought that was another person. Take your backpack off and let me have the teleportation grenade. So look. Where's the teleportation grenade? So look. I'm gonna activate it and put it in the bag.
Okay.
Put it in. Put it in! Oh my god.
I mean, one of them are in.
No, they're not. Look,
One of them?
dump it. That's Raymond's. Ah. Okay, look, let me put it in. I already have one, you goofball.
Oh. It's one for Ray. Ray!
Okay, look. Now, next myth is that if you go in here and they teleport you back, then you can have, if you grab one. I'm gonna tell you when to do it through the mic, okay?
It's true, but you know.
I'm gonna tell you when to do it and through the mic, okay? Don't do it, okay? Okay?
Yeah?
Okay!
Okay! He's a goofy goober. Okay.
Don't do it.
Tell me 1, 2. At the floor. Throw that thing! Yep. Thing. So for this myth, you need at least 2 people, because you know one of them has to, you know. But even if you buy the teleportation grenade, it doesn't matter. You have to be the one who who activates it and then put it in the bag so your friend can, you know, drop it when you say. I will revive you. I'm gonna revive you, alright? I'm gonna revive you. Ray, why aren't you talking?
No. This myth is true. Don't worry why it took so long. I couldn't grab one because of my tracking. But anyways, next myth is that you can this actually does damage. We cannot hear you. Leave the game and rejoin.
I'm pretty sure it does.
So, me too. I'm pretty sure it does. Oh my god. Anyway, wait! Wait! They don't love me like I love you.
Wait, let's go!
Anyways,
I don't care, Duolingo.
well, before we do the damage, we do this. We're gonna see if it can mine. Oh, I really had high hopes for it.
It does do damage.
Now we need to go get more.
It does. No, listen. It does do damage, but only so little that it would take like 100.
We tried it before. And it does damage, but not that
but only a
much.
little bit. Like it would take like 100 years.
Hello.
Next myth is that you should subscribe. That myth is correct.
Why are you so squeaky? Why are you so squeaky? Pull them apart.
Tug of war, tug of war.
Pull them apart.
Yo.
And the next myth, and listen guys, next myth is that if you have, the next myth is that if you have 2 whole cans and you throw them, and you do this, it will launch them, and that is, ignore that, and that is true. The harder you do it, the farther it goes. What? See, like, yeah. So yeah. Also, the next myth is that there's a new bundle, which is true. Okay, but actually, the next myth is that you should subscribe and like this video. That's true. Now, I'm gonna just make this the thumbnail, just like, I hope that's the thumbnail. Okay.
I'm back. Give him.
Tug of war.
Give him.
You guys respond me. Okay? You guys
Ray, I'm gonna do something. Ray, I wanna bust a myth.
What?
But that's gonna be it for today. We're just gonna mess around and peace.
So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you can like
I think you can go into the VR.
So please subscribe, guys. And yeah, peace, everybody.